Hi guys, this is my review on a dual salt and pepper grinder, and it's from the Salt and Pepper Grinder Company. It's a pepper grinder and a salt grinder all in one little unit here. I already have my peppercorns in the one side. That's actually all I have left. We need to buy more peppercorns. So that one's already, that's as full as it's going to get until I buy more. But I can show you really quickly how to fill up your salt and how you use this. You just twist it from this part right here. Twist it open. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. You just pour your salt in. You can use any kind of salt. We like sea salt. Just going to pour some in here. That holds quite a bit. And then when you have it to whatever, however how you want, how much you want in there, you just twist this back on. And that's it. And when you want to use it, you just pop the cap off on the end. They each have a cap on each end. And then you just twist it. And hopefully you can see how fine that is when I just grinded it just for a little bit. Just give it a couple little twists and you get really, really fine salt and pepper. And then and that's all there is to it. It's very easy. It's stainless steel, so it looks really nice in your kitchen. And we have a lot of stainless steel appliances in our kitchen, so it fits in perfectly. I really love it. I love how easy it is to use. I love that it's all in one, so it takes up less space on your counter or on your table. And that's all there is to it. I will be posting a link on my blog letting you know where you can purchase this. You can purchase it on Amazon, which is like my favorite place to purchase anything. So I'll be placing the link on my blog so you know where you can purchase it. Thanks for watching.